channel. It's your girl C. Y'all, I just realized this is actually not gonna be a maintenance vlog. This is I don't know, but it's a vlog of something. I don't know. But I want you guys to like, comment, subscribe, enjoy the video. And don't forget, you guys can comment things that y'all want to see. This probably is my first or second video. I'm not sure yet. But go ahead and tune in, beautifuls.
Did I just catch you having fun?
Alright, y'all, so I already slapped that cap on. It was just like, girl, let's get this out of the way. I'm watching somebody YouTube. Girl, back up. Anyways, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and blow dry this on a high cool setting. And I'll be back when it's dry. Okay, y'all, so then we're gonna go in with our Ruby Kisses makeup in shade 16. Y'all, do not mind the top. I put my Got to Be gel on it. Girl, you wanna throw that wig on. Yes, you've worn it before, but you still have to get the right shape to your head. Like, you wanna make sure everything is correct. Cut off what doesn't need to be there. I also wanted to say 16 is actually a little darker than my skin, but I use a darker makeup because when I put it on a cap, it actually make my hair look like and mimic a scalp. Even though like you're supposed to go brighter, I genuinely think darker is better because the cap is already light. And it's me on FaceTime with my boo. Hey boo. So yeah, I don't really like middle parts on me, but I'm sitting here shaping my hair, seeing like what styles I can do with this short hair. But yes, y'all, I was making a TikTok.
Come here. Yeah, come. Yeah.
Here, I'm just taking my hot comb, pushing that hair back, making sure there's none in the way when I'm about to glue it down. Cause, you know, the front is already kind of missing, y'all. I don't want to get a little bit of hair in the front stuck in the glue. And if you haven't liked and subscribed yet, girl, what are you doing? It's 2022, babe. We support over here. This glue I'm about to use is the white bold hold, but y'all, this glue was not working for me. I don't know it's where I bought it at, but it was really clumping up bad. Like, ugh, never again. I put 3 layers of glue, but y'all, this was not drying up. Like, even with the blow dry, it all just turned dry and was still white. So I really think it was the place I bought it from. Yeah, so my camera literally died, like, in the process of everything. So I'm gonna see if I can record on this one. I'm still putting on my legs. I'm melting down this side. I just have to melt down this side, you know. But yeah. Stop playing with the girls. So I currently had this one for 20 minutes. My brain hurt. I feel like I lost all circulation in my ears. But you know, that's what this like stuff come with. Yeah, I really love short wigs. Like, even if I do buy new wigs, I always buy short ones. I personally like short hair on me. If I buy a long curly wig, I'm going to cut it short. Like, that's just me. But I think we're gonna go for this fluffy type of look. Like that. Yeah, we're gonna see. So I wasn't 100% sure if I wanted to do the side part or not. So I'm just testing out a bang and I didn't like it. Y'all, tell me why I hit my back on the doorknob. Oh my gosh. It hurted so bad. Oh my gosh. Well, it hurt so bad. It's like I wanted to go for a messy but really cute look. I'm not sure what it's called, but I really wanted to go for a very fluffy, natural look. I really hope y'all like a comment. Y'all, I just got burnt for y'all. Like, it's burning. Like, it's not gonna come up yet. But the hot comb burnt me. Like, why would you do that? I'm trying to see, like, I look a little better in this side of the video because, yeah, I'm figuring out my camera. Like, my phone, y'all know, I know how I look in my phone, but that camera, oh, chile. Child. Those type of looks, y'all, we finna kill it. All right, y'all, so we're gonna go ahead and get to curling it because, like, I want to go for a look to give that, like, you know. So I just want to tell you guys now, I do not know how to curl hair at all. Yes, I was lost. Yes, I was stuck thinking about what the heck is that. But we still achieved this style, y'all. We did it. Yes, we made it. Y'all, it's the facial expression. Sorry, I'm my grandmother's grandchild. Oh my gosh. Yes, you guys, I was curling it this way because I want that hair to actually sit in front of my face. Also, I didn't put any heat protectant or product in this hair while curling it because I still want that fluffy, natural look. I don't want it way down at all. When I tell y'all it was trial and error with these edges, it was trial and error. But y'all, I discovered a new product for a fluffy edge look. So comment down if you want that product or anything, or for me to do, a product review or anything.
Let me get this clear. 'Cause I had no idea. I feel like I did too much. I feel like I did too much. So let's get naughty.
And before y'all eat me up in these comments, I didn't have a Y2 comb. I left most of my products and combs at my shop. So please don't eat me up, y'all. I know better, okay? This is the final look, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
You can judge.